sure you want to go up there? You're so big and strong. Cheers. 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 Oh! Oh! Your turn, Cole. There's a lot of stuff here, Kyle.
Yeah, I wish we had another person to come help.
Yeah.
Oh, what are you doing over here, Dr. P?
Just kind of going out for a little stroll here. Nice Marietta day.
You caught us.
Yeah, we're just setting up.
Just set up for the new episode.
And this is exciting for me because I am signed up. I've signed on to your guys' YouTube channel.
It's awesome.
I'm part of that, and I think other people need to think about doing that too.
Awesome. You want to help us out here?
Yeah, what can I do?
Today.
This table here?
Oh, yeah.
Go ahead.
These guys gotta go first. You gotta pull.
Oh, there we go. Oh, there we go. That's how this works. Two, one.
I got good at that.
Welcome back to a very special episode of Fridays with Kyle.
Look, it's Marietta. Oh, and Dr. P.
It's Dr. P.
Dr. P and Marietta.
We got Dr. P.
Beautiful, isn't it? As you can tell, we got our setup here. It is raining, but the rain doesn't stop us from filming.
No.
It doesn't stop the show at all.
Dr. P, how have you been?
Really good. Doing my best to try to stay dry right now. And struggling a little bit.
It is coming down pretty hard.
We could scoot the table up if you
I'm
want.
good. The social distancing is kind of key to me right now.
Okay.
Got the
No, you know
gloves.
what? That's smart. That's smart. I want to give a quick shout out, start off the show with a quick shout out to my good friend, Taylor Hurst. She painted this very nice painting for me.
That's getting wet.
It's getting wet. I'm sorry, Taylor. It is an album cover that I liked a lot. Her mom's a fan of the show, so shout out to Cheryl. She's the best manager I've had and the only manager I've had.
This is me and Kyle's artwork because we played football together for 4 seasons straight.
All right, we're gonna be FaceTiming some of you guys. Whoa!
Man!
All right, so we're gonna be FaceTiming some of you guys with Dr. P here.
We can dig the lakes down. You got a shovel?
I don't have a shovel. Do you have a shovel?
You just have a tendency to fly away.
I've never set up one of these before. I hope that's good enough. Jacob's desperately trying to keep the camera dry right now. I hope we're not too muffled. And these masks.
I love the chaotic energy. Seek discomfort, and that's what we're doing.
We're seeking discomfort.
This is what we're doing.
Don't lead by me, I'm a bad example.
What in the world? The whole tsunami. Alright, let's get to FaceTiming people.
Let's FaceTime Esmer real quick.
Oh, Esmer.
Esmeralda Salcido.
Esmer.
One of my greatest friends. I love you.
Come on, Esmer, answer.
She not gonna answer?
No, because it's me. Unavailable.
Unavailable.
Can we try again?
Yeah, let's try again. Jacob, you're a real trooper right now.
Unbelievable.
Unbelievable.
That's disappointing.
She has all the time in the world right now.
Maybe try from somebody else's phone that she might answer.
Oh, she's FaceTime! She's FaceTime! Esmer!
Oh, there she is.
What's up?
She answered this time, guys.
Where are you guys at?
We're just out here filming.
With Dr. P.
Esmer, how you doing? Coming down pretty good right now.
Yeah, it's raining. Oh my God!
I was gonna tell you, you're gonna stand me up again. Last time at the rally, and then now here. But you answered. Good job.
How's filming going? You guys having fun in the rain?
Oh, I could. Oh, yeah. As long as that doesn't bother you anymore. Esmer, how's it going for you? Are you getting much sleep? Because I know sleep's kind of important for you.
My sleep schedule got a little bit off, but we're vibing. We're doing good.
What's your show of choice on Netflix? You got that or Prime or what are you doing?
I finished watching All American with my siblings.
Oh, I saw the first season. I got to see the second now.
Ask her if she's been doing her online schoolwork.
You've been doing your online schoolwork.
I heard it was optional after March 13th.
Oh. Yeah, Miss Inouye said you were going to do it. No problem. I talked to her.
I love Mrs. Inouye. Downstairs, have fun. Bye, Dr. T.
See you, Esmer.
Bye, Esmer.
Bye. Great gal right here.
Great gal.
Let's go on to our next person.
Who else do we got on here? Let's FaceTime Cullen.
Yeah, Colin.
We're gonna FaceTime our good old pal, Cullen Quinn.
Colin Quinn.
From the Nighthawk Daily News. You may know him. He's got blonde hair, white blonde hair, very tall, very big. Dating a girl named Princess.
Is he dating Princess?
Yeah.
He's like a sophomore or something?
Yeah. There he is.
Ah, there he is.
Hey, Cullen.
Colin Quinn.
Colin, we're just hanging out here a little bit.
What you been up to, man?
What you been doing?
Literally nothing. Gaming all day.
Nice. That's what I like to see.
You know the vibe.
Is gaming.
Oh, gaming?
But I can't hear anything you're saying.
Are you gaming?
Read his lips. Read his lips.
Read my lips.
Ah.
How are you feeling during this quarantine?
Not great. I'll be real. Getting a little,
I feel
little
that.
anxious inside, you know?
Yeah.
Kind of just want to go outside.
I've heard you've been running though. I heard that from you.
A little bit of running here and there. You been running, Kat?
I have been running. I actually went on a run this morning.
I've actually been working out in the boneyard.
Nice. Have you been working out, Dr. P?
I have been working. I run in the morning. I don't know if it's socially right to run with a mask or not mask. I don't know. Have we figured that out? What's right? I don't know.
Yeah, it's hard.
Yeah, the breathing thing. It's kind of hard.
All right.
Dr.
good
P's got
thing.
one good question for you.
Yeah, he's got a question for you.
Well, I don't know. I mean, what game is your game of choice right now? What are you playing?
Currently, I am playing League of Legends.
Ah.
And would you say you're pretty good at that?
I'm getting pretty good with all this free time, yeah.
Yeah.
I'd say
I would
he's a
imagine.
legend.
Colin, what about your online schooling?
Yeah, I think they kind of wanted me to check in on that a little bit. They asked me from the school.
I'm keeping up with that a little bit.
A little bit.
Okay.
All right.
As soon as I'm done with this game, I'll get some online school.
All right.
Nice.
Alright, that sounds awesome.
Very good. Very good.
Thank you for tuning in.
All right, thank you very much, Cullen. See you soon.
All right,
Very
Cool,
nice.
cool.
Love that guy. Love that
let's
guy.
check.
Kyle, I suggest that you hit the top of that saggy part of the thing and make waterfall right now.
There it is.
Oh, yeah.
Whoa.
Oh, okay. Good thing I got this. Yeah, hit it again.
So, it is Caleb.
Caleb?
Caleb Rose, who you calling?
Caleb Rose, yeah.
Caleb Rose.
Oh,
AFC
man.
president.
Or ASB president.
Oh, of online schooling.
Oh, yeah. Can't wait to hear his graduation speech.
Oh, Caleb, really?
Caleb.
The AFC president. So you gotta answer Dr. P. Should we try again?
Yeah, let's try again.
Own
Man.
AFC president not responding.
Caleb, disappointing, Caleb. Probably doing a lot of online work right now, schoolwork, and we don't want to interrupt him.
What else do we got on this list?
There's a good amount of people. See if Dr. P has any choices.
Dr. P, who's your favorite student at school?
Oh, I can't.
can't ask
That's
that.
illegal.
You know what's my least favorite thing about these masks? Is the fact that I can't see any smiles.
You don't have to worry about bad breath, though.
That is true. That is true.
Well, but who has bad breath here?
Nobody that I know of. I don't know.
Let's try somebody else. Okay, who else? So, Jack.
Yeah, let's FaceTime Jack.
You got his number?
I got his number. Of course I got his number. Me and this guy go back, way back to the 5th grade.
I think it's safe to take this guy off now.
Don't speak too soon.
Thank you, Kyle.
We're gonna FaceTime Jack Hazeltine, the guy who gave the book review for last week. Jack!
Yeah, Jack, there he is.
How you doing, man?
Hey, Jack.
We got a special guest here for you. It's Dr. P.
No way.
Just checking in on online work and making sure everything's going well with that, Jack.
Yeah, all the IB teachers have been really good about it. They've been on track of things.
What you been up to?
Watching Parasite right now, though.
I heard that's a good movie.
Yeah, won Best Picture 2019.
Wow.
Highly recommend. It's on Hulu.
Well, just to say a philosophical question. Let's just say, Jack, if you were quarantined at home for an extended time, what would you be doing with your time?
I mean,
after
I've been
this.
reading a lot. Like, that is the best way to do it, because it increases your knowledge. You shouldn't waste this time. It's a lot of free time that we've been given, even though this is a horrible situation. You can see the good in it, and just deal with it the best you can by continuing to learn.
Is it good family time? I'm hoping I get the right
it's
answer.
good family time with my brothers and my mom. I've been spending a lot more time with my mom and talking to her and stuff, which I don't usually get to do.
That's good.
That's good.
So one more question for you, Jack. Do you have a new book review for this week?
I don't. I'm reading 11/22/63 by
Okay.
Stephen King. It's 850 pages.
Oh, good luck.
Oh, man.
But every single page is really interesting, and that's just like Stephen King that's what he's known for. Just his books are page turners. It's long, but I do recommend it so far. I haven't been bored. I almost can't set it down.
Awesome.
That's my half book review.
All right, man.
See you, Jack.
See ya.
See you, Dr. P. Thanks, guys.
Uh-huh.
Love that guy.
Let's call Caleb back.
Should be answering. There we go.
Yeah.
Caleb! What's up? You got Dr. P here with us
Right,
today?
you have Marietta? Going awesome. What about you? What are you up to?
Just finished the puzzle.
What class is that? What?
Catching up on homework.
Well, I was going to say, what class was the puzzle for? What homework are you doing?
I have math homework. I have math and AP Gov, and then I have to do sailors. Should be easy, but we'll see.
Whoa.
It's good to see you've been keeping up with your work. Yeah?
Barely.
Well, don't say that. We got Dr. P here.
Barely. Come on, Caleb.
It's hard to wake up in the mornings.
Okay, what time are you waking up in the mornings?
Like the afternoons.
Yeah.
Oh, the afternoon.
I've been sleeping in so late, but I'm staying up until like 6 o'clock.
Oh, dang.
Hey, just want to know, just got to know, Caleb, what is it like being the student body president of Marietta Valley Online School?
It's pretty quiet, not gonna lie. Kind of lonely, but you know, it's great to see all the spirit through technology.
And one of my greatest regrets, I'm going to tell you right now, is going to be that cheer routine that we were going to do together. It never happened.
Oh, you guys are going to do a cheer routine?
Yeah, we were.
We missed out on that?
Yeah, here's what we'll do. I'll be going to ASU, so I'll just come back for next school year.
Okay.
And we'll put one together.
Make sure it's filmed because I want to see that. All right. Well, thank you
Good
for
talking to you.
talking to
Let
us.
you get to that work, all right?
Alright, thank you.
See ya.
See you guys.
All right, Caleb.
Awesome. FaceTiming one more person. We got Dean Cole.
You're checking on our boy Dean. I didn't tell him that I was going to call him. I just said, what? Send your number. Ah, there he is.
What's up,
Dean? How you doing?
Good seeing you.
Good, how are you doing?
Miss that smiling face.
Is that Dr. P?
Yes,
Yeah.
it is.
Just hanging out here. Just wondering how much, I mean, are you missing school lunches right now?
No, I'm fine.
You're good.
The school, not the lunches though.
Okay. And online schooling, is that going well for you now?
Yeah, kind of.
Okay, I'm not buying
I
that.
get the stuff, I don't really do it.
You didn't sell that very well, Dean. Sorry.
So what you been doing to stay busy?
Right now I'm playing 2K.
Oh, nice.
You playing anybody or just some random online?
Just playing my career.
Yeah, my
Nice.
career. You gonna call anybody out for 2K, man?
Nah. No, I can't think of anybody.
Oh.
If anyone wants to challenge Dean Cole on 2K,
Somebody challenged Dean Cole to 2K. It's awesome,
Yeah,
man.
he
It's
will.
good to see you.
all right, man.
Thank you.
It's good seeing you.
Thanks for tuning in.
All right, Dean.
Bye, Dean.
Bye.
Thank you guys for answering these FaceTime calls. Let's do some shout outs.
Spotlight shoutouts.
Some cool people doing some cool things during this time of quarantine.
As you can tell, this mask right here, my sister's been making these. Shout out to my sister Lindsay. Thank you for these.
She also made the Fridays with Kyle logo.
No. My other sister did, Lauren.
Oh.
She made the logo.
And then also, you guys know I love Mr. Ebert. I pay attention to his social media. His daughter, Jora Ebert, is selling homemade soaps. So
awesome.
if you want to go check that out, maybe buy yourself some soap, stay sanitized, go to Mr. Ebert's Instagram. He has the link right there. What about you? Anything cool?
Just really want to excited about the online learning prospects and that. So just realize it too that I'm meeting with teachers. What we do behind the scenes is we have like Zoom and Teams meetings where we're meeting online. So I saw a ton of your teachers today, and all throughout the week as we're having conversations, and they're really staying connected as far as how to work and how to provide the best opportunities.
That's
for you
awesome.
guys.
That's great. Anything else you'd like to add? Now, on to sports.
Sports.
Let's move.
Where are we going and where's the finish line?
Three, two, one, go!
No, I hate that, man. Not everybody's a winner. You either win or you learn, but you never lose.
Alright, that's it for this episode.
Thank you for tuning in to our chaotic experience of the bipolar California weather.
You got the rain and you got the shine.
We had a great view. We had Dr. P with us.
Thank you so much for coming on the show.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Stay connected on your online learning. The students, we miss you. Seniors, you know, it's not the way we wanted the script to be written. and we're going to do what we can to do to support you. And at this point, we're moving forward as if we can do the graduation, and we'll see what happens as we get closer. Senior activities, we're going to do our best to figure out some other things that we can do.
Stay safe, guys. Stay positive, stay healthy, stay productive. We'll see you guys next week.
Whoa, that wasn't a good thing.
Oh, did we stop it?
I think so. Oh, I know so now.
Oh, no.
Hey everyone, just got done editing today's episode, and I just wanted to say another huge thank you to Dr. P for coming on to the show this week. That was really cool, and we really appreciate it. And I also wanted to give Esmeralda Salcido a big apology because we did forget to screen record her FaceTime call. Also, I realized that we forgot to do a birthday corner for this week. So, Nighthawk birthday corner, sending out birthday wishes to Sarah Bott, who had a birthday this week, and then Dylan Fig had a birthday last week. Also, happy birthday to anyone who has had a birthday this week that we just didn't know about. Thank you guys for watching to the end. I know it was a very long episode, but we really appreciate it, guys. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay positive. Love you guys.